The latest in the search for a cancer vaccine. The treatment one woman is undergoing right now in her battle against breast cancer is offering some hope to many others fighting the disease. After beating cancer once, an early experimental vaccine is helping her keep breast cancer at bay. Here's ABC's John McKenzie.
She was only 35 when doctors last year told Ingrid she had breast cancer. It had already spread to her bones and liver.
The message was, start talking to your kids about not being around.
Look, it's a little boy.
Ingrid had other ideas. She began extensive treatment, and today she has no sign of cancer. To keep it that way, Ingrid still gets Herceptin. But she knows eventually, in most women like her, the drug stops working and the cancer returns.
We know that day is coming. So in anticipation of that, we try to be a step ahead of the game.
For Ingrid, that means testing an experimental breast cancer vaccine, trying to use her own immune system to target and kill breast cancer cells whenever they might reappear.
It targets a protein that actually is involved in causing the cancer.
Targeting a protein in HER2-positive breast cancers, which account for roughly 25% of all breast cancer in the U.S. This is the first of 6 shots Ingrid will get over the next 6 months.
You're doing great.
In preliminary tests, the vaccine produced a vigorous immune response in most patients, and in some cases, lasting 8 years or longer.
In general, it had been thought that patients with cancer, their immune system couldn't be stimulated in this way.
This vaccine is just one of at least 40 now being tested, many focusing on different targets and different types of breast cancers. If the vaccines can keep breast cancer from returning, the next step would be to see if given much earlier, they can actually protect women from ever developing breast cancer.
The likelihood long-term of a vaccine therapy being useful is quite high.
Can you turn the page?
But it all hinges on pioneers like Ingrid.
If you value your life and your loved ones and you value your role as a mother, you're going to do whatever you can to stay there. I'm not ready to leave yet.
John McKenzie, ABC News, Boston.
You can learn more about the breast cancer vaccine in John's report and find out where it is being tested by logging onto our website, abcnews.com.